Yeah, you go next. No. Why? Come on, ikaw next. You go next. Can you do it? Next. Yeah. More. More. Harder ba?
This song is dedicated to baby Sophia for her first birthday from the babies.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sophia. Happy birthday to you.
Sophia.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sophia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sophia. Bye.
Happy birthday, baby Sophie. Wish ko is good health and sana makauwi kayo ni Kuya, ni Mami habang maliliit pa kayo. Kasi paano namin kayo kakargahin kung malalaki na kayo.
Hi, Sophia, Kaylee. I want to greet you a happy first birthday. This is your Tita Ria. You're a very good friend of your mom. Your mom and dad loves you so much. So, be a good daughter to your parents. And this is my dad who wants to greet you a happy birthday too.
Hi, Sophia, Kaylee. Happy first birthday from Papalo.
Happy birthday, Sophia! I love you!
Pinaalala pa siyang buhok. Happy birthday, Sophia.
We love you, baby Sophia. So you're so pretty.
Martin lagi na yun.
Good morning everyone, this is Bing Vias at sa araw na ito po ay may babatiin po tayo na isang napakaganda at napaka-cute na batang babae. She'll be turning 1. So happy birthday, Sophia Kaylee. May you have more birthdays to come and more blessings to come in your life. And I would like to greet her parents as well, Mr. and Mrs. Tapinsky, for bringing her up in this world. She's very cute and very innocent. A baby girl. Still I call her baby girl because she's still small and still just turning 1. So once again, happy birthday, Sophia Kaylee. Love you.
Hello guys! Hello everyone! Ayan, nandito po tayo ngayon para batiin ng isang happy first birthday para sa ating pinaka-cute na batang si Sophia. Ayan, sa page ng Pilar Vlogs USA. At syempre wish po namin lahat, be a good girl, good health, and be smart like your mom. Ayan, syempre, at maging successful in the future. Parang kailan lang, Diyos ko, gumagapang-gapang ka pa at ipinanganak ka ng iyong ina. Ngayon, isa ka ng 1-year-old baby girl. Ayan. So, happy first birthday. At syempre, ang pagbating mula sa kay Chang Ami Perez, especially on behalf of our founder and co-founder and my co-leaders, binabati ka po namin from promo group tiktokerscute.com charity organization. Happy birthday, Sophia. Ayan, happy birthday and God bless to you and to your family. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the day.
Hello, baby Sophia. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday, and I hope that you will enjoy your special day with your family, and wish you many more birthdays to come, more cake to slice, and more candle to blow. Sophia, happy birthday. I hope that you always have a good health with your family, and you have good health. Happy birthday, and I hope that you always be a good girl to your mom and to your dad, a good girl to your brother, and God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sophia! Happy birthday! Happy first birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Sophia! Wish you all the best in life. May you grow pretty and healthy. Pretty na dance si Sophia, no? Pero samot pa untag kagwapa. Oh,
Pretty?
nice and pretty. Prettier than today. Da si Amira arang kalungas. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye. Happy first birthday, Sophia Kyle. Our wish for you is have a wonderful birthday to come, and God giving you more years to go, and a very sweet and healthy baby. We love you. Enjoy your day.
Hi guys, my name is Angelica Herasmio, and here's a video greetings for baby Sophia. So, happy birthday baby Sophia, and wishing you a many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with health, wealth, and prosperity in your life. Again, happy birthday little one. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy first birthday, Sophia. I love you. From Jordan and family.
Happy first birthday, baby Sophia. You grow so fast. Wow. I can imagine now you are 1 year old. Enjoy your day and God bless. I love you from Israel.
Hi, hello, baby Sophia. Greetings for you. Happy first birthday, little girl. I wish you all the love and happiness in the world. May all your dreams come true. God bless you. Again, happy first birthday to you, baby Sophia. I love you. Greetings from Auntie Wyatt, Montesino. Thank you.
Hi, Sophia Kyle. Happy birthday. I hope and pray kay Lord nga unta tagaan kaniya og maayo nga panglawas, nga modako ka nga dunagay kahadlok alang kaniya. Dili man siguro nimo masabtan ang akong gisulti pagkakaron because you are too young, kay gani baby pa ka, first year birthday pa nimo karon, but someday imo rang masabtan. Ako mapag hinaot nga magbinutan ka samtang napata dinhi sa kalibutan, uban sa pagrespeto nimo sa imong mga parents ug pagmahal nimo sa imong mga kuyas. Wala pa man tanang kita personally kay sa social media raman ko nakakita nimo, but malipay ko every time makakita nimo, baby. Ug ahong mga pagampo tagaan ka sa Ginoo ug taas pa nga kinabuhi ug maayo nga panglawas. God bless you, baby. Happy birthday from Buhay.
Auntie Sophia. Happy birthday po, Sophia po.
More birthdays to come.
More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I wanna say happy birthday to my little Sophia. Happy birthday to you, my dear. Sophia, the cute baby. Happy birthday, Sophia. Happy birthday, Sophia. You're 1 year old already. If the rails, baby. Sophia, happy birthday, Sophia. I love you. More video, okay? After 1 year old, I need more videos. If the reels. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sophia. Happy birthday, Sophia. I love you. Happy birthday, Sophia. I love you, baby.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to your brother.
Happy birthday to Sophia! Yay!
Let me see the photo picture.
Hi, little princess. Happy birthday to you. More blessings to come, baby.
Hi, Sophia. Happy birthday. I wish you good health.
I wish you good health and you become a Sophia the second. You become a Sophia the second, the third, and the... no, I forgot the fourth. Yung totoo. Sophia the fourth. Hi, hello! Sophia the fourth. And I wish...
Bakit the fork? Ngayon tinidor na siya, kanina baboy siya.
Ito na ba sila? Si Dion, isa si Michael. The third! Sophia the third. Hello, Sophia the third, the little girl.
Liter. Litro. Isang litro. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.